I need you, you need me. United we stand, divided we fall. With love and unity, peace will abide with all. Of course, we achieve feats alone, but together we achieve more. Yes, you can defeat 100 on your own, but together we defeat millions at once. I need you, you need me. Without you, my ability is limited. Without me, your ability is restricted. Of course, you might not believe, but it's a fact you must admit, just like the body can't live without the spirit. If I love you, you love me. I need your help and you assist me. Peace and progress will surely exist, and in unity we will coexist. Even the demons won't stay in our midst. The devil doesn't come as a beast with horns plus 6 eyes at least, and blood dripping from his teeth, as fire from its mouth it emits, like the images used to depict the devil since we were kids. Rather, all it does is to plant a seed, not of orange, purple, but of discord, mother of conflict, forerunner of war, product of hatred, opposite of love, and damages will abound. Imagine there is strife among the different parts of the body. The eye doesn't want to relate with the hands, the legs, and stomach. Of course, that's the beginning of death, not just for one, but for all. I need you, you need me. United we stand, divided we fall. With love and unity, peace will abide with all. Till we meet again, I am Adeshola. Farewell.